Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we are gonna quickly go through 4 hacks that are very useful while practicing law of attraction. When you apply the law of attraction in your daily life and notice your everyday lifestyle, you will find many hacks that can help you become master manifestors. You can use these simple hacks to manifest your desired results. So the 4th important hack is appreciation. This is the most simple hack you can quickly adapt to in your daily lifestyle. Appreciate the things you want to manifest in your life. Because when you appreciate, then you are giving positive emotions to the subconscious mind about the things you want to manifest. And through appreciation, your conscious mind will not resist, and you can easily reprogram your subconscious mind. The 3rd one is positive night routine. Developing a healthy night routine before going to sleep will help you relax your conscious mind, and the door to the subconscious mind will be wide open. You can read a self-help book for 30 minutes before you sleep, can do meditation, can count all the blessings, and can read or write the positive affirmation. By doing this, I have achieved many incredible results, and my morning automatically becomes healthy with this simple hack. The 2nd one is ask empowering questions. Empowering questions redirect the thoughts towards hope for better results. These questions raise your vibrations and invite the good stuff. You can ask yourself questions like, how can I be more positive today? How does it feel to have own car? What can I feel excited and enthusiastic about today? What do these repeated adverse circumstances want to teach me? How good does it feel to know that my life is unfolding perfectly? These are just some examples. You can ask your set of questions according to your situation. The first and most important hack is consistency and persistence. When difficulties come, we leave the rituals we were following to manifest our desires. When we receive some negative results, then we start to doubt. The key is to be persistent and consistent with whatever you do to manifest your dreams. There is a famous quote, persistence will get you there, and consistency will keep you there. I always follow the same law of attraction routine because it keeps the momentum and keeps my vibrations consistently high. So friends, these are some of the hacks that you can use to manifest your desires. Hope this video has helped you. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.